Cobb County. Certainly coming down, the flakes here sticking to the grass. We've been hearing our meteorologists say this morning, this is that thick, dense snow. We've been watching it accumulate on the ground in our live shot we've been taking you to in Canton. Great for playing. So if the kids want to get out and play, then this is the time, because it's a quick moving snowstorm that's coming through right now. It will turn to rain later on today. And this is in, let's see, Roswell in Fulton County, also sticking to the ground there. So get out and have some fun. It's Saturday morning. Don't be